Hi guys, I am Christian, aka Nitric, your EDCAR artist. So for today's video, I will teach you how to do an editorial cartooning. So before we start, subscribe ka naman dyan. For this tutorial, we will break it down into 3 parts. The first part is the idea, the second part is the characteristics, and the third part is cartoon. So we will begin in the idea. In the idea of making an editorial cartooning, you need to have a topic or an issue that given to you. Or simply you can go to the internet and find a reliable source and choose a topic. For this video, I will using the topic of Mindanao, ihiwalay na sa Pilipinas ni Duterte. So, in getting the idea of this topic, I am using a pattern named AKSS that stands for Analyze, Key Points, Storyline, and Stand. So, let's start with analyze. So, analyze the problem or the issue. What's the main problem in the topic? Understand the flow of your topic. Then, here comes the key points. So, sketch the key points in the topic like this. Mindanao, ihiwalay na sa Pilipinas ni Duterte. So, the key points in this topic is Mindanao, Duterte, and Pilipinas. After that, make a storyline. Gumawa ka ng maraming senaryo na pwedeng kumonekta sa key points na ginawa mo. And after that, know your stand, kung sang-ayon ka ba or hindi sa topic na iyong ginawa. Characteristics. So, dito madali lang naman dito sa part na to. Characteristics of your EDCAR. Exaggerations and emotions. Yung parang gagawin mo yung OA yung cartoon mo. Then, rule of thirds. Hindi mawawala to kasi importante ito para maging maganda at balance yung cartooning mo. Caricature. Ito, applicable lamang ito kapag may involved na politician, artist, or mga persona sa isang article. And lastly, the cartoon. The steps. Know the issue, stand, sketching, outline, shading, cleaning, and finalize. So, tuturuan ko kayong mag-draw ng facial expressions, head, hands, and body nito at may papakita akong mga picture na steps sa screen mamaya. So, here's the result of my article of Mindanao, ihiwalay na sa Pilipinas ni Duterte. So, back to the video. So, for cartooning in school contest, they using a Mongol 2 pencil. So, yan ang gagamitin natin sa video na to. So, as you can see here, nag-drawing lang ako ng circle tsaka lagyan ng cross kagaya ng anime lang ng pagka-drawing tsaka isang circle sa gilid. Then, apply the jaw. Try mo iguhit yung jaw ng character mo. Katapos ay gumuhit ka ng salakot. Gamitin mo yung gitna para maging guide para maging curve sa kanyang salakot. Pagkatapos ng mga sketch mo ay pwede mo nang burahin yung iba. Hindi naman masyadong madiin yung pagka-erase pero yung tama-tama lang. Pagkatapos kong in-erase yun ay sinunod ko naman yung ilong. Ewan ko sa inyo kung anong comfortable na steps nyo pagkatapos yung mag-outline tsaka kasi yung ginagawa ko inuna ko, ewan ko lang sa iyo pero ito ang comfortable way na ginagamit ko para mapadali ang aking gawa.
Now
sundin nyo lang yung shading sa taas na nilagay ko. Yan yung steps ng mga shading na sinusunod ko. As you can see here na nilalagyan ko na ng lines. Tawag ko dyan ay details kasi yan yung last part ng kasama yan sa cleaning. Ayan, so tapos na. So ipapakita ko naman yung mga facial expressions, yung hands, tsaka steps ng ulo. So if you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and anywhere. So thank you and God bless. Bye bye.